Mais, yellow corn. Sabaw. Sabaw is very good for the eye. So ito guys, magandang gabi. Good evening everyone. Ito yon ang tinatawag na what we call yellow corn here in the Philippines. Nilaga to yung yellow corn, put under pressure of heat, and syempre yung sabaw, yung water, iinumin mo, you have to drink it. So maraming benefits. There are many benefits na makukuha mo rito. Benefits of the yellow corn, rich in vitamins and minerals, and good for source of antioxidant. Okay, may kudigo ako rito eh. So rich in vitamins and minerals, and it may promote eye health. Kaya that's why I have to eat this corn and drink the water. So yung pinaglagaan, inumin ko kasi yung mata ko, my eyes is hardly to read small letters. Kaya kikita nyo, meron na akong reading glass. Kasi nahihirapan na akong magbasa. It's hard for me to read without this reading glass. So what is the benefits of yellow corn? Marami. There are many benefits of yellow corn as what I searched in the Google. So I have got only 3 good source of antioxidant, may promote eye health, and rich of many vitamins and minerals. So yun lang mga amigos amigas, a friendship of mine. So kakain na tayo. Yan o. Sarap. Libre lang to. Kasi a friend of my wife was harvested yellow corn yesterday. Office meet niya, tapos binigyan siya. So ito, nilaga namin. Kita ninyo man yun, malaking kaldero yun. Okay, that's all for tonight. Galing na kami nagsimba kanina, midweek service. I enjoy the word of God, listening the word of God in our midweek service, Wednesday service. Okay, nung umuwi kami, ito, lutong-luto na kasi iniwanan lang namin dyan sa Apple kasi safety naman yung ano namin, yung paglulutuan. Okay? Okay. Good night everyone. God bless us all, okay?